Good morning class 6. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So class 6, as you all know that we are doing our chapter mensuration, chapter number 11, right? And last day we have completed our exercise 11.1 and today we will start our exercise 11.2. I have made you understand about the concept of area, right? What is area or how to find area or which paper we use to find out area, right? All these things I have told you, and in the previous video you can watch if you even not watch. Okay, so today I will again introduce you just about the definition of area and the rule of or the formulas of area of rectangle and area of square. Okay, so let's see what is area. So let's recall the definition of the area. So the area of the closed plane figure is the measurement of the region enclosed by its boundary. So that is called area. That means the region which is covered by any closed boundary is called area. Okay, and what is the area of the rectangle? So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so how to find the area of the rectangle? So the formula of finding area of rectangle is length into breadth. And what is the formula of finding area of square? So area of square is equal to side into side because in the square the length and breadth both are same, so we can say side into side, है ना? And in the rectangle we can say length into breadth. Okay, so these are the two formulas. So today we will start our exercise 11.2. So note down the question. And your first question is, take out your fair copy first of all and write down the date and exercise 11.2 and note down the question number, just a minute, on the page number 239, question number 3 part 2. Question number 3 part 2. Don't write the definition, okay? You can just write the formula of rectangle, area of square. Okay, you can write these two formulas. Question number 3 part 2. So solution number 3 I am noting down. Solution number 3 part 2, it is given, find the area of rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle of length is 17 meter and breadth is 3 meter. Okay, so we have to find the area. So what area of rectangle? So what is length? So write down the length of rectangle. Length is equal to 17 meter and breadth is equal to 3 meter, right? Breadth is equal to 3 meter. So we have to find the area. So area is equal to, it's very easy, right? So area of rectangle is length into breadth, right? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So write down L means length and B means breadth. Length into breadth. And what is length here? 17 meter and breadth is 3 meter. 17 3s are 17 is 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. So write down here 51 meter square. Square meter is the unit. Square meter is the unit. I have told you how to come square meter in the introductory video, right? So the unit of the area is square meter. So 51 square meter. Now let's move to the next question, and the next question is question number 4. Again we have to find the area of the rectangle here. Okay, and question number 4 part 3 you have to note down. 2 meter and 90 centimeter. That means length and breadth is given here. So write down question number 4 part 3. Question number 4 part 3. Length is 2 meter and breadth is 90 centimeter. So class, first of all unit should be same, right? First of all unit should be same, then only we can calculate. So firstly we have to convert here meter into centimeter to make the unit same. Okay class, to make the unit same we have to convert meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter, right? So in 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. So it will be equal to 200 centimeter, and breadth is already in centimeter. So now we have to find the area of the rectangle. So area is equal to length into breadth. We all know na, length into breadth. So what is length? Length is 200 centimeter, sorry, and breadth is 90 centimeter. So multiply length into breadth. What will come? 2 nines are 18. 18, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros are there. Square centimeter. There are 2 types of centimeter, so we can write as square centimeter. Okay, the unit of area is in square centimeter. So 18,000 square centimeter is the answer. Okay class? So class, this is enough for today. Now I am giving you homework, so write down the homework. The homework is to do question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 first part in your piece. Okay? So do homework, write down the homework. Do question number 1 and 1, 2 and 3 first part of exercise 11.2 in practice form. Okay class, so you have to complete your notebook as well as your practice copy. When the school will reopen, I will surely check it. Okay, so now your class is over. Okay everyone, thank you.